This video will give you helpful hints in creating an intake interview for your client. They are applicable to any dialogue or interview. At the library window under Administration, assemble the Data Management New Matter Intake. Select New Answer File by checking the New Answer File icon and clicking OK. At the Welcome window under Review File Data, select Client, Children, and Employers. Note: firm data should have already been entered. If not, review the First Things First videos. Click Next. All requests that require an answer for the process to run to successful completion appear in red. The client's role in the case, gender, and name are examples which require responses. Absent a response, you will be unable to move through the interview to other dialogues. When responding to an inquiry, do not type extra spaces. It's natural to hit the spacebar when typing. Become accustomed to not doing this when answering dialogues. Adding a space after the client's first name, for example, will result in an extra space occurring in the finished document between the client's first and last name. This becomes exaggerated when an extra space is entered at the beginning of your client's last name. Sometimes a message will occur directing your attention to important information or directions. An example of this appears above the inquiry concerning whether your client has an attorney. In almost every case, you will check this box. Examples of where you may not want to check this box are in collaborative law cases, or where the attorney will be providing unbundled services. If the box is checked, the attorney's name and information will appear in the captions and signature lines. Where the box is not checked, the client's name and information is substituted in the caption and elsewhere. When completing any dialogue, make sure you have scrolled to the bottom of the dialogue. Oftentimes, there are additional questions that, when answered, automatically expand the dialogue, such as where your client has an alternate address or where other people may be additional contacts for the client. Clicking the alternate address inquiry opens additional questions. Clicking the alternate contacts question inserts an additional dialogue in the interview process. As you complete each dialogue, click Next to move to the following dialogue in the interview. The opposing party dialogue requests the same kind of information as the client information dialogue. Clicking Next brings you to the dialogue to enter basic information about the relationship. It, too, is straightforward. Entering a date is easy. You can go to the calendar icon, click it, and select a year, month, and day, or at the window use a shorthand method as shown. 8.18.2020, enter. Court selection saves a lot of time. In the drop-down list, select the location of the courthouse. Click Get Court Information. Click Next, and follow the same process for choosing the judge or magistrate. Now your caption for all pleadings and orders is completed and saved. If your judge or magistrate is not listed, complete the interview and then go to Data Management, Courts, to enter the judge or magistrate's information. Throughout these tutorials, you will receive additional hints that will make you an expert at document assembly. Thank you for watching this video.